this is how you do hamburgers. So you're gonna power it on, turn the grill on high, and it's actually got a setting max if you wanted it a little bit more crispy. We like to leave it here. Push start.
And that 10 was 10 minutes.
10 minutes. All right, it beat. And we like to use these Member's Mark. These are really good. They're 1/3 of a pound. So it is very hard to fit 4 of them on here.
I can only do about 3, unless you get real creative.
I can't remember how I did it. I think I did it like this maybe.
I guess it'll cook down and... Ah!
It's a little puzzle. And do we usually do 11? Because these are bigger?
I usually do medium on 11 or 10.
Okay, let's do 11. So we're gonna try these at 11, flip them over halfway and see how they look. But this thing cooks these so good. The frozen burgers, if you want the perfect burger, this is the way to go. It's easy. They taste awesome.
Oh, yes.
Every time. And do we have some bacon we can make?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna make some bacon with it. And it's just the microwavable bacon, easy to do.
Mm-hmm.
And we're gonna have the perfect burger. All right, it's ready to flip. There you go. Look at those grill marks.
I was just thinking that. Looks good.
Yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy. See you in 5 minutes.
It's the final countdown. And here we go. Look at that. All that
sizzle.
grease. Mmm. So, I want to save that grease. Usually you would flip that over again, but I'm on carnivore diet. And we want to add our cheese. This is the last 4 pieces. You should say you got more, right?
Yeah.
These are just for me. Oh yeah, let those melt on there just a little bit. Soak up that grease. Yummy, yummy. That is how you make perfect burgers. Look at that. All right, we'll show you the final results here in a little bit, but that's looking good so far. Got it?
Yeah.
Look at that masterpiece. A little mayo, a little mustard.
And bacon.
Bacon. Best friend bacon. All right. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications.
Catch you on the next review.
Bye.
Bye.